We want to work an increase at the end of the row, and the edge is going to go to the left, so the increase at the front layer is going to lean to the left as well. We need to make 2 stitches, a pair, one for the front layer that is leaning to the left, and another for the back layer, the purl stitch. And if we are looking at the back layer, then the stitch needs to lean to the right. That is why the purl stitch is going to be a make one right, and the front layer, the knit stitch, is going to be a make one left. The order of the stitches is like we always have the pairs. It's a knit and a purl. So the front layer is the first increase. It's a knit stitch. So we need to make one left. We want to use the strand of yarn from between the stitches for our make one left in the color of the stitch that we are going to make. So if the stitch that we are making is dark, on the chart we have a box, a dark box with the sign of the increase, then we need to use a dark strand. We're going to find the dark strand here, and we want to pick it up from the front because we're making a make one left. So we're inserting the left needle from the front to pick up the stitch and have a leaning to the left. And we always want to make sure that the yarn, the strand that we are lifting, is in front of the light strand, because we always have 2 strands here, one light and one dark. So make sure that the one that you are picking up at the front for the front layer is at the front of the other one. And when we picked it up and it's leaning to the left, we want to work it to the back leg. We're going to take our dark yarn, insert the right needle to the back leg and work the stitch. Now we need to make the make one right purl stitch, and we're going to bring both our yarns to the front for the purl stitch. I'm just holding the yarns here with my thumb so they're out of the way, and I'm looking for the light strand. It's over here, over the dark one. I want to insert my left needle from the back because I'm making a make one right. I'm inserting it from the back and I'm picking up this strand. Let's rearrange it so it's not split. And we can see that the front leg is leaning to the right, but when we look at the back leg, which is visible on the back side, it's leaning to the left, to the same direction where the edge is going. And now we're going to make one right. So we're going to work the stitch into the front leg and curl it. And we have 2 new stitches on the needle. One is a left knit stitch and one is a right leaning purl stitch.